When they first hear the name, they laugh.
It's grown in population and in size, but it's still a small community type place.
I think if people are coming to Lynchburg, what they can expect is to meet new friends everywhere you go. There's always a smile.
That's another thing that you find here in Lynchburg, that most of the people are really friendly.
You know, it's such a warm place to live. Of course, the scenery, the mountains.
There's a lot of great things to do here.
It's big enough to have, shopping and other things like that. Restaurants, of course, a lot of restaurants in town.
You can get to bigger shopping, but you're not too far away. The traffic's not bad.
Today, I think it's more cosmopolitan.
You see a lot of businesses thriving.
It's a great cultural place.
The arts are good here.
The orchestra, symphonies.
I like the theaters.
We've got good country clubs, good golf courses, good tennis.
We've got great community market.
We meet our friends on Saturdays down here, either have breakfast or lunch, and we bicycle on the trail.
All of our activities and programs for kids, an outdoor environment.
You can have the convenience of the big city, and yet you can be out in the country and walking on trails and hiking within 15 minutes. To me, that's a huge deal. I love it.
But you can still come in the middle of a city and come to Peachview Park, and it still is quiet. You don't hear a lot of the city going on.
So centrally located, and we beat the wintergreen skiing in an hour. You can be in the heart of the mountains within an hour, and 4 hours you can be at the beach. So you got the best of every world.
It's a great place to raise your family.
The educational system around Lynchburg is great. My kids at ages, 7 and 5 have opportunity to do things that I never dreamed that they'd be able to do.
It's a great place to come and relax.
And I think most people are happy here, and that brings you back because you want that same happiness back in your life.
Everything that you need is right here.
It's just a great place to be.